Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to download CapCut Pro on iPhone. To begin, open the App Store on your mobile device and search for CapCut. Make sure that there are no updates available for the app. Once you've confirmed this, open the CapCut application. Inside the app, access a project that you have created. From the bottom menu, locate and select the stickers feature. Here, choose a Pro sticker and then place this sticker on your canvas. Next, tap on the Export button located at the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. Look for the Join CapCut Pro button and tap on it. You will then be presented with the available paid plans to choose from. Select a plan that suits your needs. After selecting a plan and completing the payment, your normal CapCut app will be converted into CapCut Pro. You will then have access to all the Pro features and stickers that were previously locked. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.